Hello friends, I'm Sushma Singh, Extension Unit Teacher, Department of Zoology, RJ College, Ghatkopar. I will be talking to you about Population Education Club, one of the projects taken up by Extension Unit of RJ College. First, let me discuss about the relevance of the activity. So this particular project helps the students to learn how to organize knowledge. It also teaches dignity of labor and develop a respect for all kinds of work in the student. It also develops accuracy in observation. It widens the student's mental horizon through beliefs and prejudices being overcome when exposed to socio-cultural realities. It teaches goal setting, planning, and time management. Following are the topics or issues to be covered by the PEC students under this project. The topics includes Maharashtra Policy for Women, Status of Women in India, Women Achievers of Modern India, Banking Procedures, Legal Procedures, Violence Against Women, Law Protecting Women, Inheritance Laws, Child Labor. Some more topics can be covered by PEC students includes environment related issues like water harvesting, pollution and its effects, save trees and natural resources, industrial pollution, noise pollution, the girl child, HIV/AIDS, e-waste management. Some more topics like global warming, ethics and values among students, old age homes, status of senior citizens, distance education opportunities, first aid awareness, voting rights, being human are some of the projects that can be taken up by the students. So I would like to elaborate on ethics and values among students. Say for example, if students opt for this kind of a project with this title, then students will get to visit maybe old age homes and looking at the scenario of the old age people living in the old age home. Students will develop some kind of good values and they will develop some good ethics, because nowadays, as you understand that today's generation is opting for the Western culture, and so we are losing our old traditional values and ethics among students. Now, what are the various activities by which students can conduct their project? So they can conduct street play, or you can say they can organize street play, one act play. They can also organize seminar, debate, poster competitions, exhibitions, composing songs, essay writing competitions, talk, lectures or discussions. As we understand, every student has one or the other kind of talent, so they can make use of their talent to organize all these competitions. Now, amongst the students who are going to opt for PEC, the students will be divided into various groups of number of students ranging from 5 to 7. Each group will have to organize minimum 3 programs at college and at least 2 programs at community level. All the students need to remain present at all the programs, attend and participate in annual festival with the name Udan, in which various colleges participates in various competitions like street play and also poster competition. Later on, students are also, that is at the end of the session, students are also supposed to write a project report. Now, project report will be explained in detail at the end of the session, but here I have taken one slide wherein I have given a little view about how to organize the data. Okay, so whichever activities that they are going to conduct in various places, they can note down the dates of those activities, the topic on which they have conducted those activities, then the methodology or activity, how it was performed, like in the form of seminar, exhibition or essay writing competition, etc. Organizing agency, that means which school, college or community they have conducted this particular events. Then which audiovisual aids they use. Say for example, if they have used some kind of an audiovisual aid to make a presentation. Then outcome, how many number of students participated in that event, and the number of hours they spent to conduct this activity. So this detail they have to take note of it, so that they can include this in the report that they are going to submit at the end of the project. So thank you so much for listening to me.